Long distance relationships are very hard to sustain and maintain. There are issues of insecurity, reassurances, and jealousy that both partners have to deal with. Without the physical presence, you have to deal with many emotional challenges alone that other partners may get to deal together with each other's support. You are in constant doubt if he is really loyal and serious about you. Video calls, messages, and audio calls are the only way to interact and keep the relationship going. I personally feel that only people with tough mental strength can enter into a long distance relationship and then maintain and sustain it for a long period of time. Also, time plays an important role. You both have to talk to each other at a time when you both are free from work and family. Things get even harder when there is a huge gap in different time zones. Therefore, it's natural for a woman to think of ways to make her boyfriend feel special and vice versa. In this video, I will cover the 8 ways by which you can make your boyfriend feel special and strengthen your long distance relationship as well. Before I begin with the video, do you want to learn how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to earn your love and eventually make him obsessed with you? This will make your man miss you like crazy even in a long distance relationship. Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. Not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time. The link to this free ebook is in the description box below. So let's begin with our video. Way number 1, make sure to call him after the day ends. Always try to talk to him at the end of the day, as that's the time when you both finally get to relax and share things to each other. You can share how the day went and maybe even talk him to sleep if he is too tired. Boys love these cute gestures from the girl they love. This way, he will feel you are close to him and the love for you will be alive in his heart. Research also reveals that a man is most relaxed at the end of the day when he is relaxing on his bed. During this time, he is most likely to share his heart out and seek love from others. Way number 2, send some surprise gifts. Yes, men also love surprise gifts. They might not accept the fact that gifts make them happy, but they do get happy and they like that gesture from their romantic partners. They feel loved and good when they get romantic gifts. You can use any gift delivery service or app online to parcel him something that he would love and get delighted to receive it. Make sure to tell him to open the parcel in front of you on the video call, as you would not want to miss that precious reaction. Way number 3, write love letters to him. You may be surprised to read this point and find me old-fashioned. But if you have read any romantic novel or love story writer, they have always included love letters in their stories. This is because when you get to your table to express your feelings for him with a pen in hand, those feelings are very pure and it has the energy and ability to reach out to your boyfriend's heart and hit him hard there. His whole body and heart will feel the power, meaning and energy of those words. So, if you are wondering how to show him you love him long distance, consider letter writing. Your boyfriend will not only love these letters, but will also keep them safe to read whenever they are feeling lonely or missing you. Way number 4, write surprise emails for him. If, due to any reason, you cannot write a letter to him, consider writing surprise emails when you get time. Sure, you exchange messages every day or even every hour, but sending him a lengthy email expressing how much you love and care for him will not only make him feel special, but also leave him speechless. Make sure that you either write physical letters or emails to him, though I will highly recommend you to send physical letters. I promise that you will be surprised to see its impact on your boyfriend. Way number 5, get into sexting with him. Sex conversations excite a man and it's a universally known fact. If you want to have fun sometimes and excite him as well, you can get into sexting or even something more if you are comfortable with it. You can show your naughty side to him sometimes, but don't overdo it as well. This is because there should be a perfect balance of emotional and sexual feelings in any relationship. When you are not physically together, there are some moments when you hate being far away from each other, and these intimate moments can bring you closer as well. Way number 6, share comic pictures of you. Undoubtedly, your pictures will bring a smile on his face, but your goofier comic pictures will make him laugh. You acting mad in the pictures will bring about a smile on his face. He will love talking to you about them, and he would look at them whenever he misses you. Yes, sometimes you have to act crazy to keep the love going on in a long distance relationship. Way number 7, schedule a video date. This is a very creative idea. Whenever you both have an off day or something like that, you can place a lunch date or dinner date on a video call. This may also sound like a crazy idea, but I bet you will love and enjoy the moment spent together. You will smile and laugh on your situations, and that would make the day even more special. Cook a dish for yourself which he likes to eat, and he can cook something that you love. Who knows, the love in the air may lead you to both getting virtually intimate after the date. Get creative, and I assure that he would love your efforts. Way number 8, try to meet him once in a while. This may sound like obvious, but I guess this should be added as well. No matter how strong your emotional connect is, physical connection is needed to strengthen it. Consider meeting him once a while whenever possible. Make the most of these meetings. Arrange a date or go out on a short vacation. Just spend time with each other. Have you ever been in a long distance relationship? What efforts did you make to maintain that relationship and make him feel special? Or do you feel something else could have been added to this list? Feel free to add your inputs in the comment section below, and I will make sure to reply to you. Like and share the video if you liked it. If you want your guy to crave for you and never ever think of any other girl except you, you need to learn to become a high value woman. I can promise that I can help you become a woman like that in just 28 days. After that, you can make any man mad for you, whether he's your current boyfriend, husband, or your crush. Want to know how can you do that? Download the ebook for free from the link in the description box below and get access to some of the best kept secrets on love and obsession. Remember, it's free only for a limited period of time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more such interesting videos on relationship and dating advice. See you in the next video. Keep supporting.